Friends, hello. I hope this video finds you in a good mood and excited about the market coming this week. So, want to talk about Mullen Automotive. It is so critical right now with Mullen, with what they have going on, and I want to put everything in front of us so we know what's going on, everyone's on the same page. And before I talk about Mullen, I am not here bashing over the head, talking junk. I'm just talking about what we see and what is actually going on. Real news, not making stuff up. This is what we know, and this is what we are basing everything we have to put money in this and trust, or just walk away from it. So here we go. Mullen is on their third extension right now. If you don't know what an extension is when a company files to stay on the NASDAQ for 180 more days to try to get their stock to at least, well, it has to be to $1 minimum for at least 10 consecutive trading days. NASDAQ lets no stock stay on its exchange for over a year when it's under $1. It has to have an extension, and once it uses up all of its extensions, then it is reverse split from there. So the company has right now until September 5th. So you're safe buying and selling Mullen Automotive until September 5th of this year for it to hit $1. Now, if it does not hit $1 by September 5th, and honestly, it has to hit $1 before September 5th, so we're really talking about the last few weeks here in August that it needs to have something happen. If not, we will be going into reverse split, which, you know, no one wants to go into reverse split. It's just not good this early on for anybody to get caught in that. So, second key point here is that Mullen had a deal to deliver its EV cargo vans to a buyer, which the buyer is UNC Charlotte. They delivered upon their deal. And they're still delivering. There's still more to come. So this is fantastic. This is good news. Now, is this news going to pump up the stock this coming week, starting Monday? I wish I could say I know better, but, you know, right now we're not seeing a whole lot. Mullen has gone from within a, 10-day trading period from 9 cents to hitting 15 cents for a split second. So, if you're buying thousands upon thousands upon thousands of shares and selling them in a split instant and then buying right back in, you're seeing some money being made. The problem is right now, we need big investors to come in. We need people to come in. We need institutions to come in, buy X amount of large shares and stay with Mullen. We're not seeing that right now. So with this deal that they're completing right now with these vans, it's positive. It's good. This is what we want to see. And obviously, we have to understand that Mullen is a very, very young baby company right now. So this is not a company that's going to be making millions upon billions of dollars. They're starting from scratch here. They're making electric vehicles, and there's so much competition out there right now with EV companies. It's unreal. But the good news is that EV companies are getting thicker and better. And they're not going anywhere. I mean, they're not going to go anywhere. The big question is which ones are going to weed the other ones out. So starting Monday, I am curious to see how, Mullen has released the news. And they released it a few days earlier saying that they did have this deal done. But with Mullen doing well right now and EV stocks in general doing well right now, I am curious to see Monday here if we are going to see Mullen have a pretty strong push up. Friday, it had a really good day. It ended with almost 800 million in volume. That is amazing. That's fantastic. That is the best it's seen in months. But even with 800 million in volume, we still did not have a lot of movement with the stock and price range. So that goes to show you what we're really needing here. We need massive buy-in, and like I said, we need people, we need institutions to actually keep their shares. There's so many outstanding shares right now. It's really hard when people are just buying, selling. So key points with Mullen right now, friends, is that hopefully from here to September, they can keep coming out with positive news. You have until September, actually scratch that, you have until, let's say, mid-August to play around with Mullen, buying, selling, and trading, and really think about what you want to do. Will we see it probably go back to a 9-cent range? Probably, let's be honest here. Could we see it go to a 20 to a 50 cent range? Hopefully, but they are on their last extension. and they need a massive deal. They need massive news. They just need something really, really good, great to happen here. Partnership, whatever it be, huge deal. We're game for anything. So friends, I'm not even going to look at a chart. There's really no... Mullen right now, like I just said, it needs a good deal. It needs news. That is really what it's going after right now. We're going to have pumps. We're going to have dumps until then. I am curious to see how this cargo van deal from UNC really plays out this week. We could definitely see it move to a 15-20 cent mark off this deal. With this big news, there's a lot of analysts talking about it right now. It's still very fresh out in the algorithm of what's going on right now with it. So I have high hopes. I'm just hoping they can scrounge up something from here to September. So friends, I really do wish all of you the best of luck. I am going to be quiet. Let me know what you think about Mullen. Are you dumping it? Are you pumping it? Are you just walking away? What do you think the future? Are they going to make this September deadline, or do you think we're just going to have a reverse split and start over from there? Friends, I wish you all a wonderful, wonderful weekend and start to the Monday stock trading. Friends, I will talk to you soon. Bye, everyone.